Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to be playing with a really fun gel polish from Luxie Nail. It is called Speckled and it is a HEMA-free gel polish, which is awesome. So if you have any allergies to gel products or anything like that, Luxie Nail is going to be your jam. So this gel polish has a clear base and then it has these really fun black speckles in there to give you that perfect spring speckled egg mani. So we're going to be placing this gel polish on top of dip powdered nails. So these powders that I'm using today are part of the spring launch. They are the 5 matte glitters that were released that are in pastel shades, and they are perfect for spring and they are perfect for this gel polish. You can see here that one coat gives it a really subtle speckled egg look, and it's just super fun. And every stroke you're creating a different type of pattern because you're never going to get the same pattern with the polish. It's going to come out differently, and that's going to give you a really unique fun mani every time. And this gel polish is super pretty on these pastel colors to give you that perfect spring speckled egg look. But I also feel like this polish right here is going to be super fun over some vibrant neon colors like neon green, orange, or pink to give you that like punk rock kind of style mani. And this gel polish is totally buildable. You can do one coat like we're doing here, and then you can build it up as many layers as you want to do when you cure in between. So it's just super fun and very buildable, and I love how it is a clear base. And I really like how the black speckles in this gel polish are all different sizes, so they're all irregular. So you're getting a really unique, fun speckled egg look. So this is what the manicure looks like so far with one coat. I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds. Now I only cured it for 30 seconds because I am going to go in with another layer of that speckled gel polish over the color Meadow, which you see here, which is that beautiful matte mint green glitter. And I'm going to just add a little bit more speckle to this nail. It was just needing a tad bit more. So there we go. I added a little bit more speckle and it's just so fun. And that teal color Meadow is so pretty. And then I'm going to add a little bit more on the pinky nail here just to give it just a little bit more pop. And that green that you're seeing there was called Sprung. So now I'm going to go ahead and cure that for 60 seconds. And that is it. That's how simple it is to achieve a really cute, fun, springy speckled egg mani. So after I was done curing that mani for 60 seconds, I did go in with a gel top coat and sealed all the nails so it gave it that glossy finish. This mani would also look really fun matte, but overall I think this gel polish is super fun and very user friendly, and you could use it for so many things besides a spring style mani. I also do have a discount code for Luxie Nail, so if you ever are considering doing a purchase with Luxie, you can save with code Mallory15. I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's video in that description box below. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in tomorrow's upload.